In this video, I will show you how to insert your Yummy Yoni Pearls. The best time to insert your Yummy Yoni Pearls is in the morning so you can start drinking the recommended amount of water throughout the day. To prepare your insertion, remove the Yummy Yoni Pearls from the protective packaging. With clean hands, unravel the string of each Yummy Yoni Pearl. Now, tie the strings together with a knot at the end. Place them on a clean cloth. Next, remove the plastic packaging and break the applicator in two. Insert the Yummy Yoni Pearls into the larger tube while holding it upside down. Insert the strings inside of the smaller tube. Now put both parts of the applicator back together until you hear a click. Find a comfortable position for insertion. Holding the applicator between your thumb and middle finger, grip the base of the applicator and push it towards your tailbone. Once comfortably inside, with your index finger, push the smaller tube to insert the Yummy Yoni Pearls. You shouldn't feel the Yummy Yoni Pearls, similar to a tampon once properly inserted. Using your thumb and middle finger, pull out the applicator, leaving the strings to hang out. Do not pull the strings, and keep an eye on the strings during your cleanse. If you feel any discomfort while your Yummy Yoni Pearls are inserted, wash your hands thoroughly and push them deeper until it's time for removal.